Hey everyone, my name is Matt and I'm the creator of Ant Design System for Figma. In this video I will show you how you can use Theme Body plugin to export and import theme settings from or to Ant Design System for Figma. So as you can see here, we have a default theme of Ant Design, and now I will do some changes to show you how the plugin works. So let's go to the primary color and let's use a different one over here, and let's also go to dimensions and border radius. Let's maybe use 8 pixels. So as you can see, the primary color is changing right now, and also the border radius of the default buttons is changing. So now, for example, we've made some changes, and here in the theme body plugin, in the export tab, you can see if I will reload the JSON right now, it's showing the changes we've made. So we edited the color primary and border radius. Of course, you can edit like values like font family, font size, etc., or even make some changes to the components. All these changes will be visible over here in this tab. So I can grab this JSON from here and go to the theme editor. You can go to ant.design/theme editor, but you can also use config provider component to apply the changes to your components. Now, if you will go to here in the config tab and paste these changes over here, you can see that the components have been updated. You can see over here we have border radius 8 pixels here, and as you can see, these colors for the button and other components are updated. The theme body plugin also works in a inverse way. We can import the changes from code to Figma. So for example, you have a client who has already did some changes to their styling. So let's go here, make some changes, like let's make the color primary pink. Let's update the border radius to, for example, 4 or 2 pixels. And we can even go to the component and, for example, change the padding in line to 11 pixels. So we have less padding over here in the button component. Now we can go to this config tab over here and select the code that was generated. You can see that color primary is changed. Color info is following the color primary, so it's also available here. And the border radius and the padding inline values that we just changed are also visible over here. So, for example, you start with a fresh Ant Design System for Figma file, and you can go to this import light tab and paste the theme settings here. Now when you click replace variables, it will take a while until the plugin applies the changes to the variables in Figma. You can see already that the components started to change. And when we'll go to the local variables, you can see that, for example, in the border radius, we have now the value 2, and in the primary color, we have this value from the code, and we also changed the components button padding inline to 11. As you can see, it's now updating, and it's also working for the font family, font size, etc. The only variables that are not supported yet are the box shadow properties. And as you can see, now our file completed updating, and these updates are visible. We can also go and grab color primary BG, color primary border, and all these changes will be applied over here. And the same works for the dark theme. You can go to the dark theme, change the colors to the dark, and grab the colors from the dark theme. For example, let's go with this color, and let's just delete these changes that are not supposed to be here. Okay, let's grab these changes. Let's go to the dark tab and color info. Okay, components won't be necessary over here. And now when I will go and press replace variables, you will see that also for the dark theme, these changes will start to apply. And you will also see that color primary BG over here will be updated soon. So this is how you can use theme body plugin to export your changes from Figma and apply them in your React code. And also you can import the changes to the theme that you have already in your client project to Figma, so you can start working with the styling applied already. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.